everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now, that way you don't miss out on my future videos. If you have watched some of my other videos, you know how much I love face masks, so for October we're going to be doing a new series called FACEMASKTOBER. So for 31 days in October we will be testing out a new face mask. Now I do have plenty of masks ready to go. However, I do not have 31 yet. I'm not sure at this moment if I will be able to keep up with filming 31 videos, but we're going to try it out. So for our first mask that we have, we are doing one called Namaste All Day Girl. It is by Life of Beauty. It says it's a Biocellulose mask. And it says made with moisture-locking coconut fibers and charcoal and tomato extracts that leave your skin clean and hydrated for a brighter, smoother glow. Okay, so on the back it says this natural biocellulose mask made with plant-based ingredients is toxin-free, pure alternative to chemically bleached cotton fabrics used in most sheet masks. If you don't love your Life of Beauty mask 10 times more than any other sheet mask you've ever tried, we'll give you your money back. This was $2.50 at Walmart, so you can keep it if I ate it. It says purified water, black charcoal, tomato, and natural coconut fibers. Then it has the ingredients. I'm not reading all that. And let's see the instructions. Gently unfold mask. Remove one side of clear protective film and place on clean pre-wash face. So I did just wash my face. Remove other side of clear protective film and smooth out any air pockets. Set timer for 10 to 20 minutes and chill and relax. I can do that. When time is up, remove and dispose mask. Gently pat remaining serum into skin. No need to rinse. We can do that too. A little confused on the first two directions here though. So I guess we'll have to open it and see what it looks like. Okay, so it says gently unfold mask. Okay. Oh, I should have put my hair up before we started this. That was my bad. Okay, gently unfold mask. Remove one side of clear protective film and place on face. What? Okay, so that must be the clear film. Oh, I'm gonna regret not putting my hair back. Okay, hang on here. Pause. Alright. Okay, place on face. Alright, next step. Remove other side of clear protective film and smooth out any air pockets. Okay, so how do I get that off then? Wow. So now that we got that on, it's definitely a really interesting texture and feel like this, because what did it say? It was made with coconut fiber, so that's definitely different. There's like a lot of stuff in my eyes there. But I guess I don't really understand the point of these two things. And they're both different too. I don't even know. They both say that they're both a clear protective film, but one's more like a mesh net. And the other one, see if you can tell. The other one's like, I don't know, like gauzy feelings. This is like a net and this is like gauzy feeling over here. So yeah, that's definitely different. And it almost would have been easier to peel this off first and then peel this off. So yeah, peel this off of the face because I found this really hard to peel off while it's already on your face. But we'll see what happens. I guess I really don't know what the point of having two protective things on it. Whatever. But yeah, so we are going to let this set for 20 minutes. And I'm going to go watch some TV because it is 11:17 at night right now. So let me put on a timer that way I don't forget. Alright, so we just started it for 20 minutes, so we will be back in 20 minutes. Okay, so we're back. I realized about 2 minutes ago that I actually set it for 20 hours, so it's been about 25 minutes now that it's been on, so we are going to go ahead and take it off, and let's see, so just remove and dispose. It looks really nice though, like this is way different than any other face mask that I've ever used, like sheet mask wise. Like it actually kind of looks like skin to peel off. It's kind of weird, huh? Okay, yep, here we go. Yeah, see it dried a little bit to my chin. And then instead to just rub it in, it's feeling really thick though. Gently pat in, okay, it says pat in. Well, that's some pretty thick curl. Actually, you know what? Let's take it and put it on the neck. Well, I definitely feel refreshed. As far as looking brighter, says for a brighter, smoother glow. I feel hydrated. Definitely. But as far as for the brighter and the glow, I mean maybe a little bit of glow because of the hydration. I wouldn't say brighter though. But yeah, I think this is a very interesting mask. I definitely like the sheet mask part of it, but I still don't really understand the whole having two different sides on it. And then they need to be more clear about which side you take off first. And I think it was supposed to be this side you take off first, and then you put it on, and then this would have just came off really easily. But I don't know if that's what they meant or not. And then the package, look at this. That might just be a user error, but I could not get that open. But there's still like a whole lot of serum in here. You know what I think I'm going to do? I think when we're done with this video, I'm going to go take this serum and I'm going to put it on my décolleté. So I'm not going to do that on camera. Alright, so that's everything for this video. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you've tried out this mask already or if you're going to head over to Walmart and pick it up right now. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And until tomorrow for the next face mask video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye everybody.